Hey guys, today we are going to talk about a topic that many parents will find useful: the process, the procedure, and the requirements for changing the names of their children or minors under the age of 21 years old through the use of this document called the deed poll. Now, changing a child's name is a significant decision and involves a legal process. In Singapore, this is done through a deed poll. A deed poll is a legal document that formally declares a change of a name of the child by the parents. If the child is below the age of 21 years old, the consent of both parents is required unless one parent has sole custody or the other parent has died, is deceased. If applicable, you have to show the lawyer the custody documents such as the final order for divorce to prove, the legal right to change the child's name. This ensures that both parents agree to the name change, or if one parent has sole custody, that he or she alone has the right to change the child's name. I have come across clients where only one of the parents, for example, the mother, wants to change the child's name, but the father doesn't approve or doesn't want to. And too bad, you can't, the child just cannot change his name until he becomes 21 years old, is considered an adult, and then he can change his name on his own without having to have his parents, sign on the deed poll. One very important consideration that a lot of my clients don't think about is considering the child's opinion if they are old enough to express one, on whether they want the name change. Many of my clients come here to change their children's name without even letting their children know. One of the most common reasons is because some feng shui master or this master or that master said that the child should change the name so that it will be more auspicious, he'll have a better life, la la la. On the other hand, I've seen teenage transgendered children who come to my office accompanied by their parents, and their parents, appear very accepting of their child's identity, and they are very enthusiastic about signing the deed poll on behalf of their child. After the deed poll is executed, the next step is to update the child's name in official records. This would include updating the child's name with the ICA, the Immigration and Checkpoints Authority, if the child is old enough to have an NRIC. For children, below the prescribed age, I can't remember at this point, I think it's 50. But for children below who are too young to have an NRIC, there's no NRIC to change. So what you do is you merely bring the deed poll to change the child's name at his school, the banks, and other relevant institutions. When the child then attains the prescribed age where he has to make an NRIC, then the child simply, brings a copy of the deed poll to whatever, so that he can, so that his NRIC will reflect his new name. Thanks for watching this video on changing children's names.